Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, which is an introduction and about who I am and what I'm doing. I've been trading on eToro since 2009, and I'm a popular investor on eToro. My goal is to build a community of copiers that have complete trust in me whilst maintaining a portfolio that builds wealth for both me and my copiers. Because as you know, I have my own money invested in eToro, and also I'm managing your money, which is asset under my management. About me, I'm living in Perth, Western Australia, beautiful city. And you can see I have a bit of beard now at the moment because I'm getting prepared for the November, which is the Movember. So I'm gonna put some mustache and things to just this is something that I do every year anyway. Yeah, about me, education, the most relevant education I have is International Certificate in Wealth and Investment Management from CISI, Chartered Institute for Securities and Investment. I also have a Master of Philosophy in Civil Engineering, and also I'm a Chartered Civil Engineer, and also I'm Chartered in Leadership and Management. Actually, management and leadership is my goal. As you can see, the wealth management and also leadership management, civil engineering. So I'm trying to just increase my ability to manage wealth and also manage everything and everyday tasks. So it is very important. I want to be a popular investor. I want to be a good popular investor, so I should have the managing abilities anyway. The professional background, as I said, I'm trading online since 2009. I've been private online trading tutor as well, and also I've been teaching forex trading and online trading to some people. Investment experience, I've been investing in the capital markets for 12 years with exposure to forex, stocks, cryptocurrency, ETFs, indices, and commodities. I have a website called Money from Shelter. My weblog is apadanaforex-en blogspot.com, and also my Facebook is Apadana Forex. So Apadana Forex is kind of my brand. I have another account on eToro called Apadana with that Forex anyway. About personal, some of the personal notes that I'm enjoying playing chess. Also, I do yoga, which is very good for mindset, and also I'm doing some martial arts as well. Where I'm doing my trading, you can see at the back here, I have 3 screens, which is enough for me set up, and I normally execute my trades from this very small room with less distraction anyway. My strategy type, technical analysis. My technical analysis are core satellite portfolio. I have a video on my YouTube channel, so if you want to have a look, just go there and in my channel search for core satellite, and you can find that easily. So that's my portfolio selection base, which I have long-term and short-term trades in my portfolio. Investment method, I'm fundamental and technical analyzer. So I choose my basket based on fundamental analysis, and also I open and close trades based on technical analysis. Asset classes, I can say I'm a multi-asset trader. I'm trading commodity, ETFs, equities, ETFs, commodities, ETFs, other, just because there are other many type of ETFs. So I trade on any type of ETF anyway. Also crypto, indices, equities, and currencies. Geographic trading focus, I'm trading on every market because I want to diversify my portfolio. So I trade on US market, Europe, Australia, and China. Industry sector focus on diversified portfolio. I have a diversified portfolio. So I'm in my portfolio, you can see I have utilities, oil, travel, leisure, and technology, all of them. Investment period, on medium to long-term investor, and my investment thesis or mandate is I use fundamental analysis to choose equities and technical analysis to open and close positions. I use top-down strategy to choose the right assets. There is two approach. There is top-down and also bottom-up strategies. In top-down, you look at the different sectors to choose your satellite part of the portfolio. For example, you say, okay, it's time for oil start to be good, then you go to the companies which is oil related, then you come down. Or in some time you want to invest in tech stock, then you go to the companies that invest in tech and go down and see which one is better. Then again, you're choosing them based on the growth or value. So this is how I choose my basket and I trade. Investment tools, I currently have subscriptions for Financial Times, Wall Street Journal, and also I use Yahoo Finance and Bloomberg to do fundamental analysis on the positions in my portfolio. Influencers, I am inspired by Curtis Faith, the author of Way of the Turtles, which was very good. I read that book, before I start trading. Performance, yearly results. So this is showing my results in 2019. And in 2019 we earned more than 55% in profit. 2020 was a challenging year. We learned many things, but at the end, we managed to make profit again. So in 2020 we just made under the 2% again in profit, and this year is my third year in profit, which as of October 2021 it was 45% profit. For more detail, including my monthly performance, please see my stats page on eToro. Semi-annual report for 2021. 2021 will be remembered as the year of volatility after COVID-19. As the economy recovery speeds up, we see more and more obstacles like different variants of the virus. Yet even in this very challenging environment, we were able to deliver solid results thanks to globally diversified business portfolio, providing once again that Apadana Forex is a reliable, popular investor. After finishing 2019 and 2020 with more than 55% and almost 2% returns respectively, I am planning to finish 2021 with at least 50% profit, which is very close to this number at this stage. So if you are planning to copy me for the long term, at least 12 months, it will be a good idea to copy my open positions to get more profit over the time. At the right here, you can see a comparison between my performance versus the SPX 500 index, and you can see that I beat the index this year. So my performance was better. This is very normal to compare your performance, any portfolio performance against any indexes or indices. Semi-annual report continue. Okay, if you go at the eToro platform, so you can see that this snapshot taken on 18th of October from eToro website. I'm currently at the top of the multi-strategy investors on eToro website. All our actions are globally are guided by our purpose. We secure your future. This is from one website anyway, but because I like it, I just put it here. Yeah, so we are trying to be one of the best popular investors on eToro, and I just do my best and I keep my knowledge to keep your money safe, hopefully. But at the end of the day, you should know that more than 68%, 70% of investors on the eToro platform, they're losing money. Past interim investment report. It's not interim, actually, I put it interim, but anyway, it shows all the month and past 3 years here. If you go to eToro website again, you can see that which shows we are in the third green year, which is very nice. In the media, my market analysis and investment strategies is shared widely and followed by hundreds of people. My insights have attracted followers on eToro, YouTube, and Facebook. So if you have the PowerPoint version of this file, you can just click on these links and go to the website. So this is linked to one of the YouTube videos and explaining core satellite strategy, as I discussed, which is the base of my portfolio. This is one of my posts on eToro talking about gold, and this is my website, Money from Shelter. And also my weblog, it's not here, but that was on the first page anyway. About eToro, eToro was founded in 2007, and the version of opening up the global market so that everyone can trade and invest in a simple and transparent way. There's some information here. You can keep reading, or you can go to eToro website anyway and have a look at these ones to have more information. Copy trading. eToro is a community of over 20 million users who share their ideas and strategies with each other. So whether you are a beginner learning the basics or you simply don't have time to watch the market, with eToro's copy trader, you can automatically copy top performing investors instantly, replicating their investment strategy at no extra charge. You can choose the user that you'd like to copy, input the amount you'd like to allocate, and you'll be duplicating the user's position automatically in real time and proportionally to the amount invested. You can start on or stop copying a user, set a stop loss for the copy, add or remove funds at any time. The minimum amount required to copy a trade at the moment, I think, is 200. It was increased to 500 during the COVID, few months ago, but they changed it again back to 200. And I know the minimum to start on website at the moment is dropped to 50 bucks. How to get started? If you have the PowerPoint copy, you just register here, click on this one, and you will be redirected to eToro website, and then you sign up And then after you signed up, get account verified, you will need IDs and proof of address and documentation. Then you can find my profile, Apadana Forex or Apadana, and copy me. I suggest copying with at least 1,000 for 12 months period. And to copy open trades. This is a marketing communication and should not be taken as investment advice, personal recommendation, or an offer of or solicitation to buy or sell any financial instrument. And this material has been prepared without taking any particular recipient's investment objectives or financial situation into account, and has not been prepared in accordance with the legal and regulatory requirement to promote independent research. Any reference to past or future performance of a financial instrument, index, or package investment product are not and should not be taken as a reliable indicator of future results. eToro makes no representation and assumes no liability as to the accuracy or completeness of the content of this publication, which has been prepared utilizing publicly available information. Your capital is at risk. CFDs are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. And as I mentioned, 67% of retail investors' accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider. You should consider whether you understand how CFDs work and whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. Copy trading is a portfolio management service provided by eToro Europe, which is authorized and regulated by CIREP, Security and Exchange Commission. Past performance is not indication of future results. Trading history presented in less than 5 complete years and may not sufficient as a basis for investment advice. Yeah, that was all about the